Huawei is unveiling best of the best smartphone in different segments each year and giving the flagship feature in mid-range phone as well. And Nova 3i is the best mid-range smartphone which is recently launched in China. Let me unbox and review either this phone will be the mid-range killer or not. This is Nova 3i and it is the successor of last year Nova 2i. Let me quickly unbox what contains inside the box. Wow! Here is the handset. It looks like great elegant smartphone in your hand. Color combination of the back also great. Additionally, inside the box, it includes SIM ejecting tools, micro USB cable, power adapters and earphone. Okay, in hand, it looks great and beautiful phone. The gradient is similar to Huawei P20 Pro and it is the purple on the bottom and blue on the top. Thanks for the great design and gorgeous looks. On the front, there is 6.3-inch display with bezel-less design and notch on the top with dual front camera. Notch on the top is a bit wider than P20 but it is acceptable. Here is the hybrid nano SIM tray placed on the left and volume up down button is placed on the right. On the top there is secondary microphone and bottom of the phone there is main microphone, audio port, loudspeaker and micro USB port. Backside of the phone there is dual vertical camera, LED flash and fingerprint sensor. It looks great and elegant. The Nova 3i packs with 6.3-inch Full HD display with Kirin 710 Huawei in-house new chipset, octa-core CPU and EMUI 8.2 and Android 8.1 out of the box. Internal storage of the phone is 128GB, expandable up to 256GB, only 4GB of RAM option. Front camera of the phone is dual 24MP plus 2MP sensor, which is great for selfie. Overall the phone is great with new design, new chipset, great AI camera, latest software and many more. Price of the phone is 1999 yuan in China. This is a general overview of this phone. Kindly subscribe this channel for in-depth review of this phone with camera feature, battery and overall detail. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly hit the like button and share it to your friends.